thongam kat na hansa mikmer kuku go strong abi uyum start mat bobam abi sin areka abi sa sin reshu ni bam goli gong re nam alsa new year sa a new season new year sabi sin nibam time nibam ga ore tuchot along February mid February sa tuchot nibam when where everyone is busy like students school reopens and they will start going to school kare farmers along farmers satan kare shumuniyam they will be busy with their work ga agricultural cultivation machongsa tuchut ngunam ga crops cultivation machongsa tuchut ngun bare huyure busy ngunam along todo sa students panga todo sa new class ka huisa shumuncho entry uncho anukare huisa new class ka entry unukare they are very excited ga ulomat nukare abi zermit hudo yentholom nangkala along abi zermit school ka nong thoban to sa yentho ka lalat nong thoban ka lika lalat nangkara she is busy with her household work galam lisa likare amu mobamne ore to ka mother the mother is not there so punu ore to dosa bo ka chorok nganma bo nong ka zermit van nong sho along punu is busy with his study anangkara hodosa sister zermit re bo nong ka room sogong ka van nong sho otet ka along abi zermit na shu libam anum aba thyo che anam ta la chopong re te en sa jong mugon thopa al ringsar yimba are ngakle chosa list punurem tat bisho afar la chip munin thopa chorel sa afar kom ktin chet mat munin thoma abishuli amga zermit nanga so zermit went to school and she brought back the list of books ga anakare are books rate la agyap do abi changes nibam anakare books rate la anam dop do aku ngunon thobolibam ga anungare re list re hodosa anumka tatbibam uteka pununun shuli tho ngaka chopong ta par do gachu mapa nagong shuche rokshong chada dumdong la par gachu pununushilam okay let's see along we have to buy the books and on top of that we have to buy the dresses also so teka zedbina anam go anam kat murok mat no lido ka bamgong mungune sembet chada loroksho so zermit she doesn't like she don't want to give pressure to the mother and her brother go because of their financial problem along she's saying that go anam modogong munguno I cannot do that if I'll drop this year and next year I'll continue with the study olom li bare punu nang kashuli ha olom li na saba ngunchonga ha rok do gachu kompasha se kiduk tiang gunrem ngunshu sulom do matnla amarem liban no go pasha dong kor sho abi shuli amga you have to study you cannot stop your studies so abi kompasha se kiduk tu rem remanin who is not facing the problem of financial so everyone face that anta go komre go kuyu amasa go kaniet bu dong ne phelalem dong korsho linin kare punungka manage macho linin kare arrange macho linin kare libam ode ka zanmen ne shuli komjet se kiduk sa jupto are kayu sa dep na thala ma bret na pa rumnan la shumat nan age kalat bo wungpu along zanmit re shulimam because of their shulishinga huyure economically they are very poor ga financially huyure along chodok songsala hui freely chodok songsala hui nanga kom pasa gatko uncho urila huila munin bam so zanmit re nangkare shulibam ga rum nala kuyum shuma nangkare age alat bobung pu ga along kuisa kidugra are zang kuisa diploma nangkare are financial problem resa thala kaisa solve ngun thambo munin so are problem nang kuyum sa thala mulyat pa rum na shuma ni kidug bobam shuma nangkare kuyum age alat bong puli nangkare zanmit na liba no no shuli rum rem ha shumat nangka azen libam ga rum nun age bovung sa hudo sala samnet nima kayu plongka sen la kayu ka arizong kiduk pongrem san sibu un dun chok sibu sem atom un khiko manine ne la nyamni mat no rok o zenlet kyon let re rumsa arik atyuk mugun ne phikbu morore zenlet kyon let sa singlom ne ple bur thobu kudori bur kat goma yu gicha sala tuthuk munsho yu gicha munin mo yong sem chu muchokne do kenu rogatsho tudo sa abriang achong dubgatsho mimong michok remla amik lunget gatsho abi punu neshuliam ga rum remre shubat ngare why are you blaming to God? Oh God has given us life and we should not blame him for this condition whatever it may be ga along kuis condition re kuyu zenbu ni senla arere rumsa akyol mugunne when God gave us life then he also have some responsibility and he also have some plan for us ga linu kare punununga hodosa tiyu ingram shokbam senla kayu ka arezon kiduk pongrem san sibu undun chok sibu sem atom un khiko munine but along rum nungka koi satun ka somnet ni senla kayu re along chikup bu kiduk ga sano small things we cannot resist small problems also ga along achim bu problem ta koi nungka resist ma chong satun ka kayu nungka shumat gacho khiko kayu nungka kaidum atom juk nungka ga bamgatsho libam nela nyam nimat ne rok o zenlet kyonlet rumsa arik atyuk mugun ne are zenlet kyonlet linbure poverty is not the curse of God libam God nungka koim curse both hambo mugun ne poverty unchit bure so abire koyu nungka kiduk mat gatsho are koim opportunity where we have to like struggle we will find a way out okay from this poverty arere kuyum opportunity ga arere rumnun kuyum are lombo thambu kuinunga life ka agyap to kuinunga experience machong saton ka abi kuyum lombo thambu lomnyat thambu mo arere kuyum rumnunga abi rik thambu tuk thambu mugun are curse mugun mo libam gyu gicho sala thuk munsho gyu gicho munin mo yong sem chimuchukne so gyu gicho sa thuk lin bora along kom pusha salat tu sa time munsho kuyu when we grow up then we surely get the ways okay find the ways to earn money so arere tchat re kuisare studies sa tchat arere tchat re not for the earning of money but this time is for studies ga tudo sa abrang achong dubgacho mimong michok remla amik lungyet gacho so along kuyu ari mana dogong tudorem kuyunga prestigious ga tudorem kuyu famous rumkocho anungare we can guide the society at the same time ore punununga hodose ingrem encourage mat bivam along zenmena abek kado aring tietlung un pesa recipe lo mananga thupshonga libare apun cha ta pesa aring kitab moblenta gon cha do lihat are satun ka ho somnet mat magat ne kayu sulum do mat nangla dong plesho ho mujok manan to do sa yokre kuchet la juko adopted demban asam asen sholung honen sigdum sa satet murad atim sa chulom sa sungmu pong rok tholyok sre huyu zenbu kyonbu li jathong ka geglat na ti lung tar lung nong na chu sa ayok jongka khyo thoma kayu kala som saktom ngungat sho kayu sa chulom tudo thong do ka nahan Frit nong sho arerem aket akyum yangne adukchen zukshong tudo akaka nima kayu li jachong katbu kitab zen vung kyon vung munine kayu sa liang sa gyapsho murosong do zen akyon nima kompsha sa kiduk mun mo yong pon rok no hon rok shong lyot shong re tudo sa kingchum rem pyang shong goma yipthen kat zen mit sa amlem ka ngak ngan ya nu yok juk amala lat thisibu tuchet ngun det kusum kam rokon along cho rokshong hununga zengsho thu lompong alomat ne nahan fritlung nongsho go ba kiduk go ba aket akyum senla gyap shore kiduk do yimba kiduk re nimsim nyu satyol go mo kayunun kiduk rem dun shok khut tudosa rigbu lurik lomne thu lom arire adut anut agok atek pongnun blend thovung nima kiduk dep tiugat sho tu nahan frit khut gekha hudosa do unsho अभी पुनु नंका शुली बम गली गंगरे एक तो हा ज्यादा कम पैसा सारिंग रे मलिनसी अलong सुलो मत नंकुरुंग क्ला कुयु फेलाले मत नंका दong कोर नंका कम कुयु अरेंजमेंट मत शो हम मुजो अपन नंको तो दोसा योग रे कुछत ला जुको you just fulfill your duty, your own duty. You look upon your studies. God, rest you leave upon us. We will do. God, we will arrange everything. Along Hunukashuli, Han and Sigdumsa, Saket Mora, you have seen so many examples. Even you have studied the life story of so many people in the world who was in beginning they were like poor, they belonged to the poor family, and later on they became rich and famous because of their hard work. God, arire choose ayoka, they work so hard that they reach on the top of the mountain. Ga orere huisa hard work nango huyum nahan lungfri thambu ga along to those arere adosa life ka kuinunga choice kuyu we have a choice in our life. Either we want to make our life comfortable, easy, comfortable and affordable, or we just dig ourselves in the depth of sorrow. Ga along sorrow sa sudam ka misery sa sugong ka kuidonung ka along very much pu liang ka plan ka kuinung ka kuidona comfort zuk pu urire kuyu sa ka arire kuisa choice go mo yonglin ka punun ka libam kayu li jathong kat bu ka we along linbu re we are not a single family who is facing this problem, financial problem. But almost 90% or 95% of these people of this village are in the same condition as we are. We are poor. Azambutong condition kanivam senla kom pusya sakiduk munmo yong nung ka cho rok shong lyot shong re to do saking chum rem pyang shong goma. So are problem the ni senla if we stuck in this problem and we stop studying means along kuinung ka to dosa it's like spoiling our own fate. Ga kuyu dosa to dosa king chum rem kuinung ka abi pyang shong zang spoil mat shong zang gomo yong linga pununan yani zenmitsa thaming ga pununung ka zenmitrem arium arizang butong hudom suggestion bibamo. So arisin abido turn on. So next scene go uyum ikna continue lung lamat bosho. So go uyum abi notes pang forward lungmat long bamsho teachment ka. So uyun ga rerim uyun ga note mat lung thom ga sho la talk chimo.